These examples in the classwork look a little bit different than the ones that we did in your note packet, so I just want to go over them briefly. This line right here, this one in the middle, is still going to be called a midsegment. So this line is still going to be a midsegment, which means that your two bases, so I have this base up here and I have this base up here. Now, this is no different than what we had before, so I'm going to take 15 plus 17 divided by 2, and then that's going to be equal to what the midsegment is, which is going to be 7x plus 2. Now, this one is a little bit easier because I can do the blue all together. So 15 plus 17, let's go ahead and do that. 15 plus 17 is going to give me 32. So now I have 32 divided by 2 is equal to 7x plus 2. Well, 32 divided by 2 is just going to give me 16. So now I have 16 equals 7x plus 2. And now I just have my algebraic equation, so I'm going to go ahead and solve for it. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. And I have 14 is equal to 7x. Divide both sides by 7. And x is equal to 2. And then that's going to be my final answer. You just have to make sure that when you're doing these questions, make sure that you set them up. Keep in mind, with your two bases, you add your two bases together and divide it by 2. That's going to give you your average. So you add the two bases together and divide by 2, and that's going to give you your midsegment. And then from there, it just turns into algebra. Let's go on to the next example, which might be a little bit more complicated. So same exact thing, I have my two bases. There's one base, here's another base. This line right here is going to be my midsegment. So I'm going to add those two together, add my two bases, so I'm going to get 14 plus 5x minus 15 divided by 2 is equal to my midsegment, which in this case is 22. Now, like I said, this one's a little bit different. You're still going to add your bases. You're still going to divide them by 2. But this one's a little bit different because I have the x, and that's on the same side as my two bases. So let's go ahead and solve this a little bit. When I go to combine like terms, I can combine this term right here and this term right here. 14 minus 15 is going to give me -1. So now I have -1 plus 5x divided by 2 is equal to 22. Now, the next part, in order to get the x by itself, what I'm going to do is multiply both of these sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is just 1. So on the left-hand side, I'm just left with -1 plus 5x. And then on the right-hand side, 22 times 2 is going to give me 44. So now in order to solve for x, let's go ahead and add 1 to both sides. So I get 5x is equal to 45. Divide both sides by 5. And x is equal to 9. So like I said, this one's a little bit different because you have to do a little bit more algebra, but just to get rid of your fraction, multiply both sides by what that denominator is.